Fried eggs, fried eggs, fried eggs. Everybody loves fried eggs, but there's so many interpretations of what a fried egg is. You've got your, typical English style sunny side up. You've got your, what we call in Malaysia, mata kerbau. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite version of a simple thing called the fried egg. First, we start off with 4 very fresh eggs. You don't want to break the yolk. Do this as gentle and as graceful as you can. Bringing it up to temperature. It needs to be at smoking point before we start anything. All right, now we add in some oil. When I say some, I mean like a good amount of oil. For that, swirl the oil around. Make sure your wok's nice and coated in that oil. Okay, now we're going in with the egg. Don't touch it, leave it be. We want that egg white to really crisp up all around the edges and turn nice and brown. Beautiful. Turn off the heat and this baby is coming out. You want to try and get as much oil as possible out. Alright, so if you're feeling like, still a little bit too much of oil, then you can always dab it with the kitchen towel. Alright, now for the sauce, I'm using the savory soy sauce and the sweet soy sauce. Now why you ask me, I use these 2 types of soy sauce. That combination is absolutely delicious. Oh, won't you look at that, baby. Now you go in with your favorite chili. Now this is a combination of chili, garlic, sesame seeds. You want to get some of the oil in. Spring onion, thinly sliced. And this just goes all around the egg. I mean, look at that, guys. All right, now let's dig in. Look at that beautiful egg yolk and this crisp egg white. This is one dish where, to be frank, as much as I love the yolk, but I love the egg whites in this way better because of how crispy it is. You've got the saltiness, the sweetness, the chili fragrance, sesame seeds, garlic, all in that chili oil, and the whites of the egg that's not just crispy but also super fragrant, and that nice soft gooey yolk. Put that all together, as you've seen in that spoon, it is heaven. You can make this and you can top this off on toast if you're eating by yourself. You don't need 4 eggs. Have a single egg, grab your toast, put some avocado, or just plain toast with butter it up and then put this egg on the top, cut into it and enjoy it. It's delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed my version of my favorite fried egg. And let me know in the comment section down below how you love your fried egg. And let's see, I tag you, Anis, to show me your version of your favorite fried egg. Make it, share it with everyone, and tag someone else. Let this go along. Cheers. Love you all. Peace.